Mustard Finnegan. I'm gonna try this Universal Space Police car. It's a low bad police recharge. Oh, okay, that was an epic fail. So, the screen looks faulty and it has sound. I mean, what is supposed to do? Still loading. Yeah, made by Universal Space and on our license. Yeah. 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 Yeah, not good. Yeah, not good. Too good. Good play this game. Yeah, it's a game. I found a train bud and Chuck E. Cheese at Pembroke Pines, but it's mute. Yeah. It's been long. Oh, and I'll see police car kiddie ride by Universal Space.